Good morning to everyone. It's tea time in the cozy corner, as you can see. We have our beautiful red teapot and our cup and some treats. And of course, we have Grandma's Good Earth tea. And with the Good Earth tea, you don't need sweetener. It's naturally sweet, and it really is good. If you're trying to watch your sugar intake, this is the perfect tea to use. You don't need artificial sweetener or any kind. It's naturally sweet. Really good. We have all our Mackenzie Child pieces still here. We have one little pot over here, and our other little pot over here, and then one back in the center. And they go perfectly in my Alice in Wonderland themes. Don't you agree? Maybe it would be a little better if I pulled this back just a little bit so you could see how pretty it is. A little better. And of course, the queen now is inside the lantern, and she's got her little hearts she's holding, and hearts scattered all about the moss. We even have a heart on our little, it's not red, I know, but it is a heart on our little treat. It's all about the Queen of Hearts in this cozy corner tea time. And of course, we have our red roses here, and some more red roses here. And back over in the dark corner, we have some more red roses. Grandma still hasn't bought any overhead lights under cabinet lights. Oh well, something else Grandma needs to buy. And of course, we have all the beautiful florals and butterflies scattered all about. And then of course, Grandma's got this beautiful thing I just love. Don't know if you can tell, I have so many flowers here. This is my little butterfly wreath, and you can see sort of the outline of some of it. Most of it's covered in flowers, but it is my favorite piece, and it's been in the cozy corner now for a couple of months, and I may keep it here until the end of spring, maybe until maybe the middle of summer. Why? Because I love it so. I may take a few of these flowers out so you can see how beautiful it looks. Normally I don't have that many. I maybe just have too much today. But we're in Wonderland, and we gotta have a lot of florals. Let me know what you think about this post. This is the Cozy Corner Coffee Station. You know how much Grandma loves her cozy corner. I have a very small kitchen, and we all have to have something decorated in the kitchen that brings us joy. And my cozy corner is where I put all my decor. I have a small house, small kitchen, and I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. Maybe a little over-cluttered with maybe a little too much flowers. But you know how Grandma is. Once she starts with her flowers, she can't seem to stop. If you're not already following, please think about it, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this post. It helps me to know what you guys want to see more of. Please think about it. Hope you enjoyed all the florals, butterflies in this cozy corner tea station that Grandma put together today. It is a pretty small area, but I managed to put a lot in, as you can tell. And this is one of my favorite teapots. I bought it at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, and I did buy a tray, but I'm using my mirror tray because the mirror tray, everything can fit on here, and I can carry it off of this cozy area if I need the cabinet space, the counter space. Well, bye-bye for now. Hugs and kisses if you made it this far. See you later, alligators. Bye-bye.